I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Fair, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this fine 2017 Harley-Davidson Iron Horse 883. But I have to start by saying that this has a 1200 conversion kit that was just recently installed by Harley-Davidson, and I have all the paperwork to show it. So let's get started. Let me show you this bike. Let's start by the rear of the bike. You can see the rear tire in good condition. Okay, you got the belt sprocket here in great shape. All right, come to the other side. Your brake caliper, spring, swing arm, very nice. License plate holder. The rear tail signals are nice shape. The fender, Screaming Eagle exhaust, short shots, air cleaner, no leaks whatsoever in the valve covers. All right, all the covers are clean. They're not there's no paint coming, so everything's in, none of the things, like nothing's peeling off or anything. The valve covers, the covers here, everything is, they're not scuffed up or anything. They look really, really good. You got the crash bars here, are in nice shape. Again, same thing, very clean. Here's the right side of the tank in nice condition, all the way across. Front tire, again, tires front and back are in great condition. The rims are in good shape, as you can see all the way around. They're not scuffed up. Here's your front brake caliper and rotor. This side of the rim, again, it's not messed up. It's not curb rash. Sometimes people, believe it or not, they hit curbs on these things, trying to park them too close to the curb as they're trying to, or a lot of different situations where they scuff the rims up. Front fender, fork legs are in good shape. LED headlight. The back of the mirrors, grips, hand levers are all very, very clean. All right. Here's the only thing that I do see a little bit of stuff coming off right here. Very little. It's peeling off. Overall, the bike's in pretty nice shape. All right. Here's the other side of the tank. Valve covers, primary cover. All right. As you can see, everything is in pretty nice shape. All right. So let's start her up. Check the miles. It's got 4,700 miles. Very nice low mileage bike. Let's start her up. I start all the bikes up on a cold start. As you can see, my hand is on the exhaust. All right, we're gonna let her warm up for a little bit, and then we're gonna rev her up. Let's just take a scoot around it, get a better look. All the lights are working. Lever and from the brake pedal. Let's rev her up. Pretty responsive, no hesitation. Definitely a very nice bike. Once again, we got a 2017 Harley-Davidson Iron Horse 883 with a 1200 conversion kit. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle or you need more information, you can visit us right there at www.carconnectiononline.com. When you get to our site, click the vehicle of your choice. When you click the vehicle, bring it to a specifics page, which will have 4 tabs. 1 for photos, for more specific photos. 2 for videos just like this. You'll say video. You'll have a auto check, which gives you a free VIN check on all our inventory, and then you'll have apply for loan tab, or it says loan. So you click it, you can apply directly on loan for any one of our vehicles. If you have any questions regarding our finance options, call us at 201-440-1323. Everyone stay safe, and thanks for viewing this video. And last Not to forget, we offer warranties on all our inventory, including our motorcycles. So again, everyone stay safe. Thanks for viewing this video.